In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana to Excel. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly get your project data out of Asana and into a spreadsheet for reporting, analysis, or sharing with your team. First, open your browser and log into your Asana account. Once you're on your Asana dashboard, take a look at the panel on the left side of the screen. This is where all your projects are listed. If you have a lot of projects, you may need to scroll a bit or use any filters or search features available to help you find the right one. When you see the project you want to export, click on its name to open it. After the project opens, it will appear in the main area of your screen. At the top left of this main area, you'll see the project name clearly displayed. Right next to the project name, there's a small downward pointing arrow. This arrow opens a menu with more options related to your project. Click on that small arrow. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option labeled Export or Sync. Hover your mouse over Export or Sync, and you'll see additional export options appear to the side. Here, you can choose how you want to export your data. Typically, you'll see options such as exporting project tasks to CSV or XLSX, or exporting time entries to CSV. If you want to work with your tasks in Excel, select the Project Tasks CSV or XLSX option. If you're specifically interested in time tracking information, choose the time entries CSV option instead. Once you select your preferred export option, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you can configure the details of your export. Take a moment to review the settings. You may be able to choose the file format, such as CSV or Excel, and decide which custom fields or columns you want to include in the export. This is useful if you only need certain information, like due dates, assignees, or status fields. When you're happy with your selections, look to the bottom right of the pop-up and click the Export button. Asana will then generate your file. After a short moment, the file will be downloaded to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder. From there, you can open it in Excel, adjust columns, add filters, and use it however you need.